A, B and C together can do a piece of work in 40 days. After working with B and C for 16 days, A leaves and then B and C completes the remaining work in 40 days more. A alone can do the work in. Alright, so we are given that A, B and C together can do a piece of work in 40 days. So A, B and C, they can together do a piece of work in 40 days. Now let's assume that total work here is 1 unit. Okay, this is the total work, 1 unit. Now we know that A, B and C, they together complete 1 unit of work in 40 days. But how much can they do in one single day? To calculate that, we divide total work by total time, which is 40 days. So total work here is 1 unit divided by total time period, which is 40 days, and this will give us A, B and C, they together work 1 by 40 units per day. Alright, this much is clear. Moving forward, after working with B and C for 16 days, A leaves. So now that means A, B and C, they together work for 16 days, and after that A leaves. So A leaves. So B and C are left here. So B and C are left. And then B and C complete the remaining work in 40 days more. So B and C will take another 40 days to complete the rest of the work. So A, B and C working for 60 days and B and C working for additional 40 days. They together complete the total work, and total work here is 1 unit. Okay. So let's calculate. So, and also we know that A, B and C, they together can do 1 by 40 units per day. So let's substitute it here. So we get 1 by 40 into 16 plus B plus C into 40 is equals to 1. So 4 4s are 16, 4 10s are 0 cancelled, 0.4 here. So we get B plus C, which is equals to 1 minus this 0.4, which is 0.6, and divided by this 40. So we get, okay, so leave it as it is. Now pay attention here. We know that A, B and C, they can together complete 1 by 40 units per day. Alright, this much is clear. But we have just calculated here that B plus C, B and C can complete 0.6 by 40 units per day. So we substitute it here. So we get A plus B plus C, which is equals to 0.6 by 40 is equals to 1 by 40. Let's take this on the right hand side. So we get A is equals to 1 minus 0.4, which is 1 minus 0.6, which is 0.4 divided by 40. Now this is the A's work. So A can do 0.4 by 40 units per day. And the question is asking us, A alone can do the work in. So A's work here will be days taken by A, here will be total work, which is 1, divided by A's 0.4 by 40 units per day. So we divide this one by this. So we get 0.4 divided by 40. So this 40 will go on the numerator and gets multiplied. So getting rid of this 4, we add another 0. So 4 ones are 0, 0. So A will take 100 days to complete the entire work working alone. So here option C, 100 days is the correct one.